Hey guys, this is TiffFX, and I'm here with my first HD tutorial. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. It's very easy. So yeah, it's right here. Sorry, let me change that. Sorry, it's small. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do basically. So just open up your Cinema 4D. So yeah, first what you're gonna do is you find this little box right here, 3D-ish box, and click here and hold it and go to plane. Now you see here the width, put it with a lot of 9s, it doesn't matter how many. Yeah, so, well, not doesn't matter, just fill it up. Okay, now what you're gonna do is go right here on the top where it says MoGraph, click it, and go to text object, and put your YouTuber name or whatever. Mine's is you know what, TiffFX, and change its text if you'd like, and put it, and I put it into 80. You can put it to anything, so I'm gonna put it in the middle. 80 is nice, I guess. See right here. Alright, now put like color if you want. Add a color, just click on it. I like purple, so I'm just gonna put purple. X that, and you can put the color here, but let's do that later. Click on here and go to caps, go to start, cap, fill it cap, end, cap to fill it cap, and that's it. And then what you're gonna do now is you're going to click text object and put Control CV, and then you get another one, and change that to 40, and caps, put 10 where it says radius, start radius 10, and end radius 10. Okay, now you check over here on the top, and you see this right here, this blue thing. Put it in the middle. Now go back and go down. As you can see, it's like that. Add 2 colors. I'm gonna add purple and white. The purple will go on the TiffFX, and the white will go into the text object. And you see now it's like that. And now what you're gonna do, you can like put color on the ground too. So what you see now, it's still like that. It's weird. Okay. Yeah. So just add any color you want on the floor. It doesn't matter. Yeah. So now you can like add light if you want. Carefully get the blue. It's really tricky. And put it. I'm gonna move it up because that's what makes it show up. As you can see right now, it looks like that. It's nice for people. And add another light to the top, to the other side. Like that. Now check it, and you see that. Nice, right? Okay. Yeah. Now you can we can add the explosion effects. click this this bended thing and go to Explosion FX. Remember, click and hold and go hover over to Explosion FX and let go. And now grab Explosion FX and put it in text object. And you have to see a little down arrow. Put it down. As you can see, it's right there. Yeah. So yeah, for the time you can change it like 5. See, I'll change it to 5 because that's my favorite. I used 10 in the video. Okay, now we're gonna activate the camera. Kenny. Yeah, activate the camera. Click here. Go to cameras, scene cameras, and camera. Now click this little key button right here and go hover to 90 and click. Oh, sorry. Wait. Go back to 0 and click the key button next to it. Click here. Now go all the way to 90 and now click on Explosion Effects and carefully do this fast. Yeah, so now you see it like this. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, so it'll be like that. And I'll show you how to render it. So yeah, you just found out how to do this. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys subscribe for my